Another video, and today I'm on my new camera. I just got it, so I do not want to edit this video. But today I'm gonna be doing something real crazy. As you can see, what time is it? It's like 7 something right now. So I might be showing you how to make dishwasher detergent. So this is not a skit or nothing. I literally saw this on national TV. So all you need is salt. Make slime. All you need is salt and dishwater detergent and a bowl and a spoon, and just keep stirring up, and then you make slime. So apparently, I'm gonna be teaching you all how to do this stuff. So basically, you're just mixing stuff up. So that's all. So in my next video, I'm gonna be roasting a little kid because he roasted me, and his name is he's not little. Pontiac made DDG. He literally called me out in my videos, in his videos. He called me out. I'm gonna link his channel in the description. So, and I'm gonna link my number in the description. And if anybody wanna roast me, I'm gonna roast them back. I'm like Rice Gum, dish tracker. So apparently, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this stuff.
Marquisha, stop! Nigga, like, Latrice, stop! Let it go, Latrice, stop! Let it go, stop! No, please, no! Let it go! No, because, Jim, what is wrong with you? It ain't like you using it. It ain't like you can shut up. That's all you do is run your mouth. What a mess up. It's nothing to be mad about.
So I have it in a bowl right here. Oh no, guys! I'm just gonna scoop this right back into the bowl.
You in 8th grade, so? But she got all A's. They already said that lady is a special ed teacher. No, we don't. Shut up. I'm ready for you. Come on. Don't break my hand. Move. Wait, look at my hand.
I'm back here, guys. She just hit me. So I had to go in there and beat her up. So apparently I'm still making it. This does not work. And then you have to set it in the freezer for like 20 minutes.
I never said I was, so shut up,
So
Jay.
let me pause this. But look, I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Look, I'm gonna pause this video for 20 minutes. So guys, apparently it's been past 20 minutes. I let it overthink, and it's still not froze. So I'm just gonna have to pour this out. So guys, this is the end of my video, and I hope you drop a like and drop a subscribe the first time you see one of my videos. So y'all can like my please drop 5 likes. Dang, 5 likes already.